you know I'm here in Alaska. This is Fabienne, right? You've heard us talk about Fabienne a lot. This is my sweetie. I love her. She's one of my old students from my performing team years and years ago, and she's reopening the academy here in Alaska, so you've heard us talk about that. So the whole concept of ball and ruler is a two-part concept. Now, it's not only about our movement as partners, but it's about our individual movement, okay? When I move, like I showed you on the table with the diagram, I'm moving in a straight line. I'm moving straight line this way, and when I reach the end of my movement, I'm simply going to rotate and move in a straight line this way, in a straight line here on my side. What the lady does is, if I were not holding on to her, okay, she would quite literally do this. She would start rotating, and she would rotate like this, and she would just continue doing this around the floor until she passed out. Okay, just kind of like that, right? When I dance in a straight line, when I reach the end of my line, I change the ruler. The ball continues to roll clockwise. I change the ruler. The ball rolls clockwise. I change the ruler. If I stay on this side, the ball continues to roll. If I change sides, the ball continues to roll. If I want the ball to roll in a different direction, I don't turn her. I change the side that I'm on. Now the ball is rolling this way, if you can see it. When we do it this way, it stops us from having to lead. For example, if you're dancing a hover telemark into a natural turn, not to step and lead the hover telemark, and don't step here and then lead the natural turn. What you're going to want him to do is think of ball and ruler. He's dancing in straight lines, and I'm not going to hold on so you can see the concept. He's going to dance in a straight line along the ruler and let the ball simply roll the way it's supposed to roll. You see? Now, if I wanted to open her up into a hover telemark, like I said, all I do is change the rotation of the rolling of the ball. Instead of my leaving the ruler on this side, I dance the ruler on the other side of her, and that changes her rotation, makes her go that way, and all I do is then correct the ruler. You see? And so I keep changing the shape of the ruler, and the ball just rolls according to wherever the ruler is, and we end up like that. And so when you dance that way now, you don't have to ever lead. You know, I'm never leading by pushing and pulling the lady. I'm leading by position. My position to my partner and the speed at which I'm changing position with the ball. Hope that makes sense. If not, you know how to find me. Oh, before I leave, Annette is the one filming all of this. We don't want to leave her out. We want to say thanks to her too.
Thanks for that.
Bye.
Teach me.